Hello guys, welcome to the new video, and today's video is about a very interesting pipe fitting from UPPC George Fisher. So there we go. So this is a kind of an elbow plus reducer, both two in one, and it's turning 90 degrees, and you can see that it has D, and on this side it has a D1. So essentially in the plastic pipes, the nominal dia is the external dia of the pipe. So if we have D here, that goes, let's say if you take this for example, so here it will go 25, and D1 here it will go 20. And since these are the external dias of the pipes that will be inserted inside, so so making this kind of family is kind of a tricky, because it has both sides unequal pipe size. So we should be able to the family should be able to change the positions of this D and D1, and that's something tricky, and that's all what we have done here. So we have here the pipe UPVC in STR13, and I have loaded this profit elbow family here as an elbow. And what I'm going to show is that, let's say we have, in this case, what is this pipe size? This pipe size is 50, and this pipe size is 40, one above and one below 40. So the elbow has been loaded already into the Frightened preferences. So we're going to see that how it goes and how it works, the way the family has been created. So we can go here, and we can give this command here, and we can give this command here. So now we see that at this elbow it is D50 and D140. So here is this is the one with all these dimensions, with Z, Z1, Z2, 58, 57, 67, and you can see all here. All right, this is from the lookup table. Now the thing is, if we change the orientation of either this pipe goes on the other side, then this family should work again. But if it is made in this way only, it won't work this way, unless there's a way inside the family to recognize that D and D1, they are changing or switching the positions. So that should be able to do. So like we see here, what I have done is that I have made a parameter called reverse, and this is in zero position. I mean, it's switched off, this reverse. But as we go here, so keep in mind that here also this reverse is not turned on, and D is 50 and D1 is 40, just like so. The D and D1 are like 50 and 40 respectively. So but if, what about here? I mean, here it is going like that, and here it's going the other way around. That's a different position. So if we select this, so we see these are switched. So there is D is 40 and D1 is 50. If you go down, we see that this is reverse, and that's why it's perfectly working fine, right? And all other parameters are exactly the same. So what it has done is that it has just switched these two, and all of the parameters are exactly the same. So let's say with my Z1 is 36 and Z is 26 and Z2 is 41, and that's how it is. All right, so L1 67, L is 50, L1 is 67, and L is 57. So, and dimension D is 58. So here dimension D is 58. So it works fine in both cases. Now another example. So this is 25 and this is 20. So we're going to have this case here. we have to go. So let's see if that also works fine. So we're gonna trim or extend. It loads the elbow, and there it loads the elbow again. So we're going to see here that here 25 and 20, they are just like in order, that D is greater than D1 and everything's fine, and it's not a reverse position. But if we go here, so here my D and D1, they are switching. So once they are switching, the algorithm comes to know that it has switched, and it turns it reverse on, and the whole geometry, it just changes or switches. So this geometry goes there and this geometry goes there, and also for this. So everything works like this. The whole geometry gets fixed. So let me show you just an example what it does. So here is this elbow. So here is I have 20 and 25. So what happen if I do this 25 and 20 instead? So like this. So all the geometry, it just flexes, and it just switches the position between this, and even this kind of an elbow thing. So thank you for watching, and have a nice time.